Hello everyone. Welcome to my first quick tutorial on SOLIDWORKS Sheet Metal. Let's start by sketching a simple shape. We'll add dimensions and constraints until it's fully defined. As you can see, our sketch is now ready. Now, go to the Sheet Metal tab, select Base Flange, and enter your material thickness. You can control the direction of the thickness by checking or unchecking this box. This determines which side of the sketch the material will be added to. But wait, what is the K factor? The formula is simple. K equals lowercase t divided by uppercase T. In this equation, lowercase t represents the distance from the inner surface to the neutral axis, and uppercase T is the total material thickness. To bend the edges, select the Edge Flange tool. Now, set your desired height. But before hitting OK, here's a tip. If you haven't set a default radius, make sure to check this box to unlock the hidden options. I honestly don't know why SOLIDWORKS hides some features like their levels in a video game. As you can see, you can simply move your mouse to define the direction and size. Alternatively, use this box to enter the exact dimensions or flip the direction. If you need an angle other than 90 degrees, you can specify it right here. Next, we have the flange length options. You can choose how the length is calculated, from the virtual sharp or the inner-outer bend. It might seem tricky at first, but try clicking through them to see the difference. Then, choose the flange position to determine if the material stays inside or outside the bend line. Once you're done, select any other edges you want and hit the green check mark. Finally, we can close the gaps by going to Corners and selecting Closed Corner. I'll set the gap distance to 0.05. Now, we just need to select the edges. Notice that when you click on one edge, the other one is selected automatically. Hit the check mark, and we're done. That's how you create a basic sheet metal model. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into more tools. If there's a specific topic you want to learn, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. We're just getting started. Share this with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one.